Subaru has announced pricing and feature updates for the 2024 BRZ, which no longer qualifies as a sub-$30,000 sports car. Whereas the BRZ had a base price of $28,595 for 2023, the 2024 model starts at $30,195 for the premium trim. The Limited now goes for $32,695, the Limited with an automatic is $33,645, and the new TS trim costs $35,345. There has been a $100 increase in the destination charge to $1,120 for 2024, too. The automatic transmission is no longer available on the premium, so getting an automatic Subaru BRZ costs $3,550 more than before, or $3,650 more if you include the higher destination charge. Fortunately, Subaru has improved the standard specification of the BRZ to make up for the price bump. Whereas the full Subaru EyeSight suite of driver assistance technologies was only compatible with automatic BRZs, it's now standard on all models for 2023. The EyeSight suite includes adaptive cruise control, pre-collision braking, lane departure and sway warning, and lead vehicle start alert. The fact that these features are now available on manual BRZs is a crucial change, considering that take rates for the manual BRZ have been very high, at least, that was the case for the previous generation BRZ. No longer do customers have to choose between the manual gearbox and the best safety equipment. The BRZ TS is a new addition for 2024, having been announced in July. Building on the sporty suspension setup of all BRZs, this model comes with STI-tuned front and rear Hitachi dampers. Subaru claims improved flexibility, control, and stability with this layout. Other mechanical upgrades include a Brembo braking system with 4-piston front calipers and 2-piston rear ones, along with larger pads and rotors. The calipers have a gold finish. The TS comes with 18-inch wheels in dark gray with Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires, making for enhanced grip and quicker turn-in. Other changes for the TS include black upholstery with blue stitching, performance design front seats, TS badging, and a crystal black silica finish for the shark fin antenna and mirrors. It retains the same 228 horsepower boxer 4-cylinder engine as other BRZ variants, which some may find disappointing considering the $5,150 increase over the base BRZ with the same engine. The related Toyota GR86 is also in line for similar upgrades for 2024, including standard fitment of Toyota's equivalent active safety suite on all manuals. A new GR86 Trueno edition mirrors the BRZ TS with a Brembo braking system, but it has Sachs dampers instead of the TS's Hitachi dampers. We expect the 2024 GR86 to see a similar price increase when that information is shared by Toyota later this year.